lesson, we're going to automate the triggering of the djembe from the previous lesson, and we'll turn our instrument into a mobile app. First, let's automate the performance by automatically triggering the djembe using the pulse N circuit.
Once again, you can check the documentation of pulse N by placing the text cursor on it and pressing Ctrl D. So this circuit has two inputs. The first one is the size of the impulse as a number of samples. In our case, just one sample. The second one is the period of impulses in samples. Therefore, if the period is 44,100 samples and your sampling rate is 44,100 Hertz, then you will have just one pulse every second.
As an exercise, try to add another impulse generator running at a different period to create some polyrhythm effect. You can now pause the video and try to guess how to do this. One solution to the previous exercise could be
Okay.
Yeah, let's run it.
Let's now change the name of the current Faust program by calling it djembe.dsp. So you can edit the name here. This program can be exported as a ready-to-use Android application by selecting the Android platform and the Android target in the export tool on the online editor. Let me show you how these export tools work. So you click here and you have the export menu. So you can choose Android here and Android as a platform, and then you click export.
Once the online compiler is done, it will display a QR code pointing at the application package. This might take a while. Be patient, have a cup of tea, or enjoy some whiskey. If you're an unfortunate iOS device owner, the online compiler will only be able to generate an Xcode project that you'll have to compile directly on your computer. Note that the same can be done for Android and will significantly reduce the duration of the online compilation process. We'll give you more details about this in a later session.